Alright, today we try bypassing the neutral safety switch on this 91 F250 diesel. Well, in doing so, when we hot wired it, sure, it starts now without having to press the clutch, but watch what happens when we push the brake pedal. Turn it on. I'm not kidding, folks. Turn it off. Alright. I'm going to watch the key. Alright, now put it to start. Now push the brake pedal. We just found a new way to start this truck. Except you couldn't stop. The only way you could probably stop is by using the parking brake. But that is weird. That is very weird.
Okay.
By the way, the neutral safety switch, folks, that's what it looks like. We bypassed it. It's got several connections in there. Not sure if you can see it. Might be all fuzzy. But somehow when you hot wire it, somehow the brake starts the engine.